Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 9, 15 and 18 using the prime factorization method. For finding this LCM using the prime factorization method, we write all the three numbers in a single ladder like so, 9, 15 and 18, and we'll divide the numbers using prime factors. So as out of the three numbers, 18 is an even number and it is easily divisible by prime number 2. So let's divide 18. The two numbers are not fully divisible by 2, so we'll write it as is. So 9 will be 9 and 15 will be 15. And 2 times 9 is 18. Now 9, 15 and 9, all the numbers are divisible by next prime number 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15 and 3 times 3 is 9. Now we can leave 5 as is and we'll divide 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, 5 will be as is and 3 times 1 is 3. Now 5 is a prime number, it is only divisible by 5, 5 times 1 is 5. Now all the three numbers are fully divided. To find the LCM of the three numbers, we are going to take the product of all the numbers, which are all the factors which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So LCM will be equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 5, or LCM equals 3 times 3 is 9 and 5 times 2 is 10. So 9 times 10, which equals 90. So the LCM of the three numbers 9, 15 and 18 is 90. So this is how we can find the LCM of any numbers using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.